If you're a Sophia Learning student struggling with Touchstone scores or stuck in revision loops, this video is for you. I'm sharing 5 practical hacks to help you score higher on your first submission. Here's the problem: students lose valuable points because of formatting mistakes and missed rubric requirements. That leads to revisions, and revisions slow everything down. Hack number 1. Read the rubric before you write a single word. Most students focus on neatly ignore the rubric. That's where points get lost. Hack number 2. Get your Touchstone reviewed before you submit. A second set of eyes catches the structure issues, clarity problems, and rubric gaps that cost you points.
Hack number 3.
Strengthen your thesis and your arguments. A weak thesis is one of the most common reasons students score low. You need a clear claim backed by solid evidence. Fix your APA or MLA formatting. Incorrect citation reference errors can quietly hurt your grade. Getting this right earns you those extra points. Hack number 5. Aim to submit revision-free. The fastest way to finish your Sophia course is to avoid resubmissions entirely. Polish your Touchstone before you hit submit. I help students with all of this: rubric breakdowns, pews, thesis building, formatting, and first attempt submissions. Send me a message and let's get your Touchstone right the first time.